Good morning, Chuck here at Garden Spot Acres. We're getting an overlay put onto our patio here, and I had been pressure washing it, and I was using a Kimball Hossfield pressure washer, a little portable one, doing a pretty good job. Taking a little longer obviously than a professional pressure washer, but crapped out on me with a little bit to go, so I had to go pick up a new one. Take a look at the one I was using. Oh sure, now there's garbage on top of it. There it is. Kimball Hossfield standard duty. It was just a little portable pressure washer, you can see it. It just gave up the ghost. I bought this probably in 2001, 2002. So it's about 20 years old. It's worked well, but it finally gave up the ghost. So I ran to Lowe's and I picked up their cheapest portable pressure washer, electric, that I could find. It's the Greenworks 1700 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute, model GPW 1704. Let's get this thing unboxed and give it a whirl out there and see how she does. Got our soap container here. Okay, got our hose. Looks like a nice long power cord. See if we got everything. Okay. Got our wand, our handle, soap dispenser, 20-foot non-marring hose, and power cord, and the little unit. Let's put our wand together here. It goes in and turns somehow. There we go. Okay, that's together. We have a 40-degree tip here, and you have a turbo tip. That's the one I'll be using, is this one. Let's try that one. There we go. Got a ground fault breaker on there. Attach this on. I was hoping to use this quick connect on here, like this. The Kimball Hossfield had the male coming out of the machine. This one's got the female, so I need the opposite one of these. So I'm going to take that off. Make sure there's a hose washer in there. There is. We don't want to turn that on until we have water to it. Let's go turn the water on. Let's see if she turns on. Now this unit pressurizes, then it shuts off, and it pressurizes when you're using the water. So let's see how that works. I just changed the nozzle out to the fan nozzle. It's supposed to be a 40-degree fan nozzle. Let's see how that works. Well, that didn't seem to work on this mold and mildew here. Probably better for cars, maybe? Yeah, let's try it out on some windows. Yeah, the last thing we'll do is we'll clean off the lawn tractor here. We'll get down into there, see how this does. Got a lot of grass clippings down on top of the deck. Dirty. We'll give this a try. So, what'd you guys think? I thought it worked pretty good for what it is. It was $99 at Lowe's. It's the Greenworks electric pressure washer, 1700 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Seemed to do the job. You know, it's not a commercial pressure washer or anything even close to that, but it does do the job around the house. I did the tractor, I did some windows, and I did our patio. I think it worked pretty good. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for coming along. If you could you hit the like button, put a comment down below, share this with your friends and family. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.